Thar is the flagship product from Mahindra Stable. It's not only a vehicle, it's a beast.
It's about where you want to explore the impossible, to the jungles, to the steep gradients of the mountains, to the riverbeds, to the sands, and wherever it is.
When we conceptualized, we were having a conference somewhere in the beaches of Goa, where a lot of our old cars are also in operation. When we met a few customers over there, they had an ambition that while we are driving on these beaches, why don't we enjoy the similar drives on the roads? So that was the first thought which came in our mind, that customer is now looking for enhancement of this product, not only on the beaches, but also on the weekdays and also on the city roads. The challenge was how to bring this off-road to an on-road also.
So the first and foremost thing of this car is to make sure that the terrain capabilities, that the off-roading capabilities are significantly improved. And the second thing is, if this car has to succeed, then we need to have on-road performance. The one thing that comes in the way for the on-road performance is the need in the off-road for the very high ground clearance, bigger tires, and the water fording depth of 650 millimeters, which is very similar to half of my height. So what we did is we have to reconstruct the suspension system completely. This suspension system of double wishbone in the front and multi-link in the rear gives you that ride quality. And the second step that we did is to increase the wheel track by about 74 millimeters. The third measure is to redistribute the weight between the front axle and the rear axle, and therefore you have very good balance of the weight acting on both the axles. These three measures gives you a vehicle that can easily go at 150 to 160 km per hour in the highway with a very good ride and handling.
On the safety front, it comes with a host of features inside, like the ESP, the ABS, airbags, both for driver as well as passenger. In addition, we have also given the ISO fixed seat. We have options on the rear seats. You can have a front-facing seat or can have a side-facing seat, depends upon requirements. We have a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which keeps you connected with the latest trends in the world.
It has two engines basically. A diesel engine, 2.2 liter diesel engine delivering 300 Newton meter, 130 bhp horsepower, and a gasoline 2 liter engine delivering 150 bhp and 320 Newton meter torque. It's a TGDI turbo engine. So you have an engine, you have a gearbox, and you have a transfer case. And the transfer case not only distributes the torque between rear and front by 50%, it also multiplies by 2.5 times. And matched with a brilliant 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed IC automatic transmission, it delivers the best performance in this category. We introduced electronic braking lock differential. As soon as one of the wheel that comes to the air starts relatively increasing the speed more than 60 RPM, it just bites the brake and holds the wheel, and the torque goes to the wheel that is with the ground and moves you beautifully. The measures that we have taken, it reduces the NVH levels by about 20 to 30% any speed range that you drive compared to the old car. The frame is very stiff wherever it is required, so we have improved the torsional rigidity by 104%, and the bending stiffness is improved by 108%. We also need to bring in a lot of multiple options in the car: hot top, convertible top, along with the soft top that we had in the car.
It's not the old car which was for the weekend journey or for something where you enjoy a part of your life. In this new Thar, you can go to offices during the weekdays and you can go to off-road during the weekend.
It's a quantum leap to a next generation. I wouldn't say next generation. It's the next benchmark that anybody in India would like to have.
Designing the new Thar, it's all about recreating the icon. So what you are trying to design is a worthy successor to its predecessor. That's what makes it unique. My name is Nilay. I am an automotive designer. I've been part of Mahindra & Mahindra design team for last 14 years. No product is one-man job. It's a team of people who work on making it happen. Design development is a long process. Your thematic direction to your theme sketches, your concept sketches, your emotive renders, and from there you go into CAD and actually building prototypes of the vehicle, scale models, full-size models, and then keep refining them. So that's the process of design. In monsoons, when it is really slushy, we spend a day experiencing the Thar. Getting stuck, getting pulled out. The whole experience was about connecting well to the product and sort of bringing that connect with you when you come back and start working on the design of the same. Every time we showcase this vehicle, it'll put a smile on their face, and sometimes you'll also hear that wow. Those things always will remain as part of your memory. Most important thematic direction in terms of design of the new Thar is about keeping it authentic, and that authenticity becomes the core of a design philosophy. When you redesign the vehicle, you ensure that the vehicle does not have drawbacks. We have done that change in terms of correction of proportions and the form aspects to incorporate all the modern requirements of the vehicle. It's a very unique combination of wheel arches where the front wheel arch is a trapezoidal, rear wheel arch is a circle, and that's very unique for this vehicle. Overall body is divided into beautiful 3 segments. So you have a very long front bonnet area. Then you have your cabin, which starts with the A pillar and comes down with the B pillar, and then you have the rest of the body. The roof of the vehicle, it has a kink on the top. And similarly, if you look at the bonnet of the vehicle, it's a very strong, long bonnet. So that gives it a very commanding seating feeling. Authentic yet modern aspect of the exterior design flows into the interior as well. We have retained the high seating position, which is main aspect of this vehicle design. While doing that, we have modernized the interiors completely. The switches which are there on the central fascia are toggle switches. If you look at the seats also, they have been designed for comfort. And there are also touches and elements. If you see air vents inspired from a telephoto lens are nice, round, and have a very carbon fiber-like texture on that. So it's been designed for being an SUV. The design of the central HMI element, the design of the cluster itself, all stems from the same philosophy. Overall, complete black interiors with silver elements sort of giving that modern feel. We took the theme of Panch Tattva. Out of the Panch Tattva, we took wind as the inspiration for this design. So with the wind in the hair concept, that's where the convertible aspect of the Thar becomes so important. It became a very, very important aspect of a design thought process to design a vehicle which works with a convertible top, and we did a lot of scenario renders to see how the vehicle looks in its elements. Thar is about the customer who takes it out, wants to test its complete capability. Not worry about scratches on the body, on the bumpers, sacrificial element, which sort of give the customer a confidence that it's a go-anywhere vehicle.